It doesn't have to be difficult. Okay, so you've chosen your papers, and I've taken these three that all coordinate nicely together, and I've picked them before I started any colouring in whatsoever. These papers are from my Winter Wonderland paper pad, and the next thing to do, instead of throwing every possible colour combination at the project, I want it all to coordinate together. So I have my papers. The next thing to decide is which colours to use when I'm colouring, and it doesn't have to be difficult. What I tend to do is I do normally have a colour chart in front of me, but today I'm just going to lay the pen colours on top of the papers to see if they blend nicely. I think that's a real Christmas combo. So this is the end project, a crossover card with a pull-out insert, and all I did was stamp the image into the bottom left-hand corner of the card, and then I coloured it with the colours that I'd chosen beforehand. It's so much easier if you have chosen your papers first and then your colours to colour with, than to have coloured and then chosen your papers.